and I don't want to name the person. He's a young MP from BJP, recently became a dad, and said that I have raised up this issue with my party earlier, but I've been told that there's no point going on about it yet. I really care, but I don't know how to talk about it. That's the reality. Are you also feeling the same thing when you talk to, say, Congress MPs?
It's laughable. Parliament is supposed to deliberate on very serious issues, and pollution is one of the plaguing issues. It's a national issue, and especially when you're breathing in a gas chamber like the national capital. The entire politics over pollution has divided the politicians. So, they are colored in terms of certain parties will wear, politicians will wear masks and bring oxygen cylinders, while the other politicians who perhaps are from the ruling party don't find the air toxic. So I'm saying that.
But they did when they were not in power, when election campaigning was going on, when manifestos were being written. Then they did care.
Right. So that's what I'm saying, that they are colored in terms of what their party. If you're in the ruling party, you can't really oppose or talk about pollution. I think we need to get above that. The politicians need to get above that and fight for this cause at large. And thereby, you're talking about Sonia Gandhi's article in terms of, we saw lots of Congress politicians coming out. Aishwarya caught Dipendra Hooda. I spoke to Imran Masood, who got optics. Yes, beyond the optics, what are you really doing? Sonia Gandhi has written an article, and if you would want me to elaborate on that, talking about that, slamming the Modi government in terms of the homegrown policy about favoring corporates, getting clearances later, after they've really corporate clearances, on environment later. And she's also talking about the death of the Aravali by, making changes in the policy. So, and talking about the gas chamber that many cities, not only the national capital, has become.